So I'm gonna undo PEMDAS. I'm gonna do it backwards. So PEMDAS tells me to multiply and divide first. I'm gonna add and subtract first. So I started with black. I should end with black. And I lost my black. Okay. So a plus 5 is being done to this 2x, or to this x, right? How do I undo a plus 5? I'm going to minus 5 from both sides. 5 minus 5, that goes away, which is so lovely. 9 so what do I still have here? What do I still have? Still have my 2x. The 2x did not go away on that step. We're only going to go one step at a time. So wait. 2x is still there. I bring down whatever sign is in the middle. That's not changing. We have 9 minus 5. What's 9 minus 5? 4. Well, good golly, now it looks just like we did yesterday. Do we know how to do these? Golly, good gracious. Okay. What is being done to this x? How do I undo multiplication? Divide by, what do I divide by? 2 or 4? 2. Why do I divide by 2? These don't kill each other during the party. All right. There's a good reason I need to choose. Do I divide by the 2? Brayden, did you die? No. Please don't die in my class. But if you do, I know CPR. Yes. No, we're not about making life easier. Well, okay, so yeah, we know that we need to divide, but what do we divide by? 2 or 4? Why 2? Because that's what I'm multiplying by. So I'm going to divide by 2 because I need to get rid of the 2. I don't need to get rid of the 4. I don't care what's happening. So what's 4 divided by 2? 2. So what does x equal? 2. And can we substitute this back in to check? So 2 times 2 plus 5 should be, oh my gosh, that's 9. Plus 5 should be 9. So 4, well, now we do order of operations in order. 4 plus 5 does indeed equal 9. It checks out. 9 is happy. Okay, let's do one that maybe isn't pretty. Because I have a feeling you guys are stuck being attached to this prettiness.
I like pretty.
Give me a number.
5 billion. 5.
Let's do 5. 5x minus 2 equals 7. Okay. Actually, let's do this.
Negative 2.
I want to do this. 10x minus 2 equals 3. Okay, we're not doing it in our heads though. So what step? Oh.
It's so funny. Did you?
Mac! What step do I do first?
You add 2 to each.
Add 2 to each side because I'm undoing PEMDAS, right? So I'm going to add first. So add 2. So I have 10x equals 5. What's being done to this x?
It is being multiplied by 10.
It's being multiplied. What undoes multiplication?
Division. Whoa.
What do I divide by?
10. I don't know.
Why don't I divide by 5? It'd be so much prettier. Want to divide by 2? I'll show you why not. What's 10 divided by 2? 5x equals, what's 5 divided by 2?
2.5.
Did that do us any good at all?
Yes.
Did that help us in our cause to find x?
No, it really didn't.
So you wanted, can we divide by 2?
Yeah.
Yes, you can divide by 2. Is it a good idea?
No.
No, not really.
It's really tired in here.
I feel that with my soul. Okay, so what do I divide by? Do I divide by the 10 or by the 5? Because last time you guys told me I should divide by the 2 because it was nicer. It'd be a lot nicer to divide by the 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2.
Divide by 10.
But it's nicer to divide by 5.
10 is what you're divided.
10 is what the x is multiplied by. So we divide by 10. And so what does x equal?
2. Oh wait, no.
5 divided by 10 is 1/2. Oh, x equals, can x be a fraction?
No. Yeah.
Are fractions numbers too?
Yeah.
Do we love fractions too?
Fraction lives matter. What?
Whoa.
Something matters.
Fraction lives do matter. Go ahead, Braden.
Fractions matter.
Don't do drugs.
We will do numero dos. Numero dos is a little bit chalengio.
What's that mean? Number 2.
Chalengio is my new word. Tell me what.
Negative 5. X plus 7 equals 9x. Actually, freshman.
So there's like blue in with my green, and it is looking kind of cool.
It looks like black. What way? It looks like Braden's shirt. Huh? I thought you were gonna
It's like, look, it's like stripy.
Whoa!
Stripy.
It's like a youth slash flip.
That's cool.
It looks like toothpaste.
It does. It looks like toothpaste.
Did you know that it's not a very good idea to eat toothpaste?
Yes, it can inhibit your body's ability to absorb calcium.
Except for baby toothpaste.
Because it doesn't have fluoride. But why would you want to eat toothpaste?
Because it's creamy. It also can taste.
Tony toothpaste back. Alright, let's go back to this.
Oh, like it's creamy.
Okay, so we're looking at this. We have two things that are added. But if I subtract off this 7, is that going to do me any good?
Yes.
Not going to do me any good. Can I combine the 7 and the 9x?
No.
But this 5x is being subtracted. It's being subtracted from an invisible 0. Can I move it over here by adding?
You know, she probably asked you because I can't say it.
Sure.
Then the
What's
X.
minus 5x plus 5x?
Because
Zero.
0x. And 0x just boom and it's gone. But if I add 5x to this side, what do I have to add to this side?
5x.
why'd you cross out 5 and 4x?
Because I added it, it's gone.
Goodbye.
It was subtracted and I added it. If I have, I don't know how this would work. If I have negative 5x's and somebody gives me 5x's, then now I have 0. Or we can think of it backwards. If I have 5x's, right? I have 5x's sitting here. 5x's. There are my 5x's. And somebody comes along and they're like, I take those 5x's. They're mine. How many 5x's do I have? Although, what if x is the cold virus and I don't want it in my life? It might not be me. They took away my cold viruses. Like, we don't know what x equals. X could totally equal germs. We're going to find out. But if I do it to this side, I have to do it to this side. 9x plus 5x. So then we have 7 equals, what's 9 plus 5?
21. 9 plus 5 is 14.
7 equals 14.
math equation in your head.
That would be amazing, but I cannot.
Oh.
All right. 7 equals 14x. What is happening to the x right now?
Wait, is it 1/2?
Emmett, what's happening to the x right now?
It's being multiplied.
No, your name's not Emmett.
That's not
Your
nice.
name is Emmett.
It's
The x is having something happening to it. What is it?
being multiplied.
By what?
Oh, this is confusing.
How do I undo that?
Division.
By what?
14.
I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other, right?
Ah!
What's 7 over 14?
1/2. It's so smart, boys.
Oh, it's just like the other one.
That's what I said.
Okay, should we do one more, or are you guys feeling good?
Can you give me a second to copy it?
I'm not going to erase that. What was that? We can do 3 as well. We'll do number 3. So that is number 2. And we can do number 3. And then I don't think we'll do any more from your assignment.
Whoa! I like linear equations. They have a lot of math.
Linear equations are very mathy. I don't know what 3 looks like. Who can help me out?
3 is 2 U's that are on the side. That's kind of what it looks
No, there's no 2 and 3. They're being
Well, no,
weird.
there's no 2 and 3.
Being weird. 8x minus 5.
It kind of looks like a sideways W on it.
Wonder Woman Day year above Baby Yoda.
Oh, you are super really far away. All right, so what's happening with the 8x and the 5? Boston.
5 is being subtracted from
8x. So they're kind of being added and subtracted. This is another one like that one. So this one time we have a positive 8x. We are going to subtract away this 8x. Subtract away this 8x. We're going to end up with negative 5 equals 2x. Oh shoot, I tried to get rid of all the negative ones. So you guys haven't learned negatives, but that's okay. We'll teach you a little bit right now. What's happening with the
No,
x?
that's
I know
8x minus 5.
I know
Not
it.
negative 5.
The minus comes down, and now we have 0 minus 5, which makes it negative.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so the minus stays there. So we have 2 times x. What undoes it 2 times? Divide by 2. Divide by 2, and x equals negative 5 over 2. Because I've practiced this lots. It's a practice thing. What? 3. That was 3. I will leave that there too.
Wait, a negative number can be in a positive fraction, or is that fraction not positive?
It's negative. We are. We look at our number line.
If is it negative 5 halves or negative 5 halves?
This is 0. This is negative, right? So there's negative 1/2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1/2, negative 2 halves, negative 3 halves,
Oh.
negative 4 halves. Right there is negative 5 halves.
Okay.
Now I kind of want to make it even.
Worldwide division.
Okay.
They're trying to guess that sign and
They're failing so hard.